Okay guys, well, here is my Hoover wind tunnel air steerable. I trash picked this a couple of months back in late summer of last year, so more than a couple of months. Anyways, it was just clogged, and it works perfectly fine now. So somebody threw out a perfectly fine working air steerable just because it was clogged. Just shows how wasteful this society is anymore. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and get this machine started and show you in action. Like I mentioned, or I think I did, this tank was, in fact, fully empty when I started. And it's sucked up a decent amount of stuff just from working on the machines that I have so far today. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.